kushikilia mwisho yako, ukuwe na Mungu mbele yako, na sisi tutashikilia wewe vile tukishikilia wakati wa ugonjwa, pia tutaendelea kushikilia.
If you work in that unit, it calls for a lot of keenness, a lot of attention to detail, punctuality, and teamwork. And that is what we shall miss most about Chris.
Hii organization ya Royal Media, kusema kweli, ni kama hao walikuwa ndiye baba na mama ya huyu mtoto.
Wewe uvumbi, utarudia kuwa uvumbi.